I'm James Cook. I'm a chartered professional engineer. I came up with this new renewable energy generation technology that I call it the HIDRO. The reason I came up with this new technology is because as an engineer, I have designed and built coal-fired power generators, coal gasifications, as well as large-scale renewable energy facilities. I have seen, through my experience, the inefficiencies, the reliability issues, availability issues, and affordability issues with regards to both fossil fuel generators as well as renewable energy generators is what we know today. Okay, now we talk about efficiency, reliability, availability, and affordability. Okay, the efficiency means we need to utilize fully of the energy that we put in. Okay, as much as possible. That is what we talk about efficiency. Reliability and availability is like what is today. We got the rain and it's cloudy and there is no wind also. And that is what we're talking about, availability and reliability. And when we talk about affordability, and that is to do with price. How much we can build this unit cheaply enough to ensure price competitive and able to maintain the tariff price structure for the future that in a way benefit you directly, you and your family and the future generations. That is important. And at the same time we address climate change and global warming. Number one, gravity. Everything goes up, will come down. Number two, buoyancy. It's float on the water. And number three, the differences between gas density. For example, air and helium, where you will see the balloons with helium will float. And number four is the pressure differences. You could feel this when you swim or when you dive. And that tells you through the eardrum pressure that you will feel. To show you the system of the HIDRO, there is no magic trick. I have two reservoirs. The one I'm holding is under buoyancy. That's why it's float. The second reservoir is under gravity. That's why it's sink. But I can change that to make this reservoir and its weight to float to the surface. And how that is achieved is where the pressure gradients or the pressure differences is applied. From this, I will show you how we take the next step into the engineering technology inside the HIDRO. This is the animation of the working inside the HIDRO unit. We have here bottom reservoir, top reservoir, and two of the movable reservoir. Currently, this bottom reservoir is under higher pressure than this reservoir. And this reservoir has higher pressure than this top reservoir. So what would happen? The air or the gas from this reservoir will transfer to this reservoir, and that will cause this reservoir to descend under gravity. Whilst on this reservoir, the air or the gas will transfer into this reservoir. And what would happen? This reservoir will then raise upwards under buoyancy. Hydro can be both as a baseload power generator or distributed power generator. And as a power generator, hydro addresses availability and reliability issues. Why? Because the energy required to power hydro technology are nature's forces that is available and reliable. Hydro also addresses affordability because the nature's forces that is applied in the hydro technology is always available to us, free. And finally, hydro addresses efficiency. We make 30% more power as we do not rely on transmission and distribution. Hydro is not just a technological concept, as it has been fully translated into a full working demonstration unit. Hydro is ready to be deployed, and it is indeed the solution for clean energy security of tomorrow, today.